In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to retouch your photo. First of all, I have to adjust some stuff here, like removing the pimples. Yeah, as you can see, the model here doesn't have that much pimples, so which is good. It saves me time to get on. And so I'll make a copy of it right there. But I can remove the blemishes. Take this brush tool. You can zoom in if you don't see the pimples properly. I like to zoom out just to remove the one that I can't see. Zooming out. I'm almost done here. Almost done. Okay, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to skin retouch. It's pretty easy. If you do it twice, or just keep on doing, when you practice something, you just know how to do it. Eventually, simple. Okay, I think that's okay. Wait. I keep on saying it. I think it's okay, but I keep touching. It's because when you're doing this, for it to be perfect, close to perfect. I think that one is good. Save X. That's good. So if you take a look, zoom in a little bit, you should take. This is before, this is after, before, after, before, after. You can see the changes by the same thing. Before, after. Okay, so after I do that, I copy this again twice. I'll name this color and this texture. Hide this and set something. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I will set my radius to, and it's literally 25. But it's not bad. Let's put 7. Seven is not bad. Okay, 7. I'm doing 7. You said the photo is blurred. The way to fix that is just by clicking the eye thingy, and it will make this photo visible. So the way you go by this is you click here. You go here where it says image, apply image. You click here and click on. right here will be, because it's 16 gigabyte, it has to be add. But if it was 8 gigabyte, I would have selected subtract, and that will have these numbers here. 2, the scale will be 2, offset will be 128. But since it's 16 gigabyte, we'll just select add. The blending will be add. Opacity will be 100%. This, don't select anything. Scale will be 2, excuse me. And the offset will be 0. And here, you have to make sure to check this to get that. Then, click OK. As you can see, this is how the picture looks now. You can see all the blemishes, you know. Okay, you click here, you come here, you put linear light, and I have to organize my stuff, like put it in the group, can retouch. Okay, now, yeah, so that, okay, click here. Now, it's go time. It's go time. We click here on the mixer brush and make sure this is clean. Make sure this is checked. And here are my settings for this knob. How do you call it? Soft round. Yeah, the round, the color be round. So this soft round, hard round, soft round, pressure. But I like to select this one. This is good. It's soft. Make sure this the hardness is 0%. And yeah, you can go ahead and start. And I like to start from the top to the bottom, but it doesn't matter which way you start. You can start from here, you can stem here or here, anywhere you like, just your workflow, you know. The workflow is how you do it. Just do what you know. And everything shall be fine. You see how I'm avoiding to bring this light to the other side? Just bring it down this way, so that will cause the zigzag of the photo, you know? Yeah. Okay, I'll come back here after I finish doing the retouch. Okay guys, so this is how the picture looks like now. So if we take a look here, this is my before, this is after, before, after. So, and that's how you do it. That's how you retouch your photos. It's very simple. Very simple. Yeah, I'll just kindly ask you guys to subscribe and maybe give me a like and comment if you have any thoughts or anything in general. Yeah, peace out.